where my get money honeys at? Right here, where my iced out at? Right here, where my go getting at? Right here, where my silver spoon women at? Right here, you the girl, let that know. You rent through, girl, let that know. Enjoy yourself, let that know.
How you guys doing today? It's a real girl Trace. Today I'm here with a wig review brought to you by Beauty Exchange. I just want to thank Beauty Exchange for sending over this beautiful wig that I am reviewing today. Right here I'm just showing you the package that it came in. It was wrapped all nicely. The wig I'm reviewing today is Bobbi Boss Daniella. So the texture of the wig was very nice. It was silky and yucky. It was like a blend. This wig is a 13 by 4, which we love. We love a lot of lace, so we can part wherever we want and style it however we want. It came with a pre-plucked hairline, and it was some baby hairs left out in the front, which I'm showing you right now. But the hair nice was plucked very nice, but I'm just a little extra, so I plucked it some more, which I will be showing y'all how I plucked the wig today. The wig came with 4 combs and an adjustable strap in the back. Y'all, so I got this wig in navy blue. And yes, this wig is synthetic if I did not mention it. It's synthetic, but it's not giving synthetic, period. It's real nice. It's giving almost human, period. We love that. So now I'm taking my Eden wax stick and I'm just putting it all over the hairline so it can slick it back so it can be extra flat. I love my wigs flat. I'm talking about flat, like. So yeah, when it comes to plucking, I just go with the flow. Like I don't have a real method. I just keep plucking whenever I feel like it's getting thin, I stop. So y'all, all the products I'm using today can be found at Beauty Exchange. Beauty Exchange is located in Florida, Ohio, and Georgia. But if you don't live in none of those states, you can definitely order online. That's the plus side about it. Like, it's just so crazy because I always go to Beauty Exchange. And when they reached out to me to collab with me, I was just like, wow, me? Period. So as y'all can see, I was putting makeup on my cap just to blend it more with my skin so when I lay the wig down, it can be camouflage. So right now, I'm just sizing the wig, making sure everything fit in line. As you can see, it's giving. It's giving. Y'all need this wig in y'all collection, period. You need this. You need this. You need this. So me personally, I can't cut my wig on my head because I feel like I always mess up or I end up cutting my skin. So I do cut my wig off my head with an eyebrow razor. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do hair reviews. I do clothing hauls sometimes. Just subscribe. You know, it's a real girl. This wig is only $37.99 on Beauty Exchange website. So y'all really need to go shop. Like, for real. That's a deal. $37.99? What for a wig? With a 13 by 4? Okay, you better shop. So I just wipe my head off with alcohol so my lace can adhere to the glue better. Now I'm just dotting it on my forehead and I'm going to wipe that thinly so I can lay smoothly. And I'm using Ghost Bond lace glue. So now I'm just laying my lace down, making sure it matches up with the glue, making sure everything is flat and in place. Now I'm going to use a comb and a blow dryer to set it into place. Here I'm just cutting any extra lace that I feel like shouldn't be there. So I take this elastic band and set my wig into place so it won't go nowhere when I'm doing my baby hairs. So I'm just taking my flat iron and making sure everything is straightening out so it can lay very flatly. So in the next couple of clips, I'm going to show you different styles that you can do with the wig. First I did a middle part, then I did a side part, and then I did a half up, half down with 2 antennas. That's what I call it. And then I did a little side bang with a half up, half down. So I applied a little makeup to the front because I honestly forgot to put it on a lace before I put on the wig. That's what I usually do. But honestly, the wig really didn't need it because it was giving scalp. Honestly, this blue color was so nice. I just love how the wig was so versatile. Like, y'all don't need to walk to Beauty Exchange. You need to run. You need to run and go get this wig. Okay? You need to run. Alright, y'all, that was the last style that I did with the wig. So I thought I was going with a middle part, so I started doing my baby hairs to shape the middle part. But honestly, I switched it to a side part because I was feeling it more. I don't know, the middle part was not doing it for me. To swoop my edges, I use Gots to Be Gel. Honestly, these baby hairs was giving me troubles. I don't know. Like, maybe I should have pulled out my flat iron and curled them because I was having a hard time swooping these babies, okay? But it still came out cute now. Don't get it wrong now. I want to thank Beauty Exchange again for sending me out this wig. Y'all really need to go shop this wig. As you can see, it was very much giving. Look at me, pretty. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not in Florida, Ohio, or Georgia, and you don't have a store near you, you can shop online. Look at it. The lace was nice. The lace was laid and pretty. Period. Zoom in.
where my get money honeys at? Right here, where my iced out at? Right here, where my go getting at? Right here, where my silver spoon women at?